Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing the traces that teach the algorithm what you don't want. Open YouTube settings, clear watch and search history, and delete a few offending videos now. Once done, pause history so new mistakes won't reinforce bad suggestions. Then clear the app cache or browser cookies, and if necessary, sign out and sign back in. Doing this erases short-term signals and prevents immediate retraining, which gives you a clean slate to actively shape the feed. Now you must teach the algorithm what matters. Subscribe to channels you trust and consistently mark "not interested" or remove recommendations from channels you dislike. Watch the videos you want to promote all the way through and use likes or dislikes intentionally. Short, accidental views send mixed signals. Once done, add preferred videos to watch later or to themed playlists. Those create stronger, long-term signals. Make sure to avoid clicking irrelevant thumbnails. Deliberate behavior is how recommendations change. Finish by verifying cross-account influences. Inspect Google activity and ad settings so external data doesn't reintroduce bad recommendations. Once done, test changes in incognito or with a fresh account to confirm the feed reflects your choices. If the feed still favors unwanted content, clear cache again, sign out, and repeat targeted watching and feedback for 24 to 48 hours. Consistency matters. A key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.